In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on eBay. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to update the country tied to your profile, which influences shipping options, taxes, item availability, and the overall site experience you see. For the smoothest process, use a desktop browser and make sure you're signed in to your eBay account. Start on the eBay homepage. Look toward the top of the page for your account menu. Depending on your layout, you might see your name, a profile icon, or a My eBay label. Hover your mouse over that area and give it a second to open the dropdown. This hover action is important because it reveals shortcuts to the parts of your account you'll need. From that dropdown, choose Account Settings. Clicking this takes you to your account dashboard, where eBay keeps all the controls for your profile, security, and preferences. If a new tab opens, that's normal. Just continue in the tab with the settings page. Once you're in Account Settings, look for the Personal Info section. This area might appear as Personal Information or Profile, and it's the place where your registered details live, including the country associated with your account. The country here is what eBay uses to tailor currency display, delivery estimates, and the sellers and listings prioritized for you, so it's the right spot for a country change. On the Personal Info page, click Edit next to the information that controls your registered address and country. Opening this will bring up the form where you can make updates. Take a moment to review what you see so you're clear about which fields affect your location settings. As you prepare your change, keep in mind that updating your country can alter shipping costs, applicable taxes, and which items are eligible to be purchased or shipped to you. If you buy or sell on eBay, this can also influence handling times, return options, and the marketplaces you're shown by default. In some cases, eBay may ask you to confirm details or provide documentation if the change is significant. Simply follow any on-screen prompts if they appear. If you travel often and only need a different delivery location for a short time, consider using order-level shipping addresses rather than changing your registered country, which is intended for your primary location. That's the full path. Hover over your name or profile area, click Account Settings, go to Personal Info, and click Edit to begin your change. Take your time reviewing the details and you'll be all set with the correct country for your eBay experience.